I seem to recall you tried to have me killed, Rain.
Only after you refused me your services.
Says you. And I would never recall to come back to your services. Someone's got to learn how to take no for an answer, fool.
So we're both bastards.
Don't get it all too straight up, Rain. If I ever see Pa again, he'd be a dead man.
We have that in common, too. Do you worship that Ashtek?
That highly depends. I'm with Kotal 'cause I get paid.
What is the price of your loyalty?
From what I hear from you, Rain, is that you have daddy issues, son. You have daddy issues.
He disavowed me, then framed me for murder.
Ha! Ha ha! Shoot, is that all? Hell, he ain't got nothing on me either. Ha ha!